taxi is expensive in Osaka. I don't like it.
I'm like, can people afford $100 taxi here?
I don't think so, but we have trains and buses, so why do I have to take a taxi if I don't get drunk? But I usually don't take a taxi.
Okay.
I prefer walking, and it's good to health and enjoy the environment.
Yes. Because I wanted to take the bus, but it was raining when I came.
But in Osaka, the transportation system is too complicated. Even I'm Japanese, it's I think a little bit difficult for non-Japanese people. It's tricky, you know.
So you know Hiroshima, like you don't need a map.
I'm from here. I was growing raised in Hiroshima.
Okay.
No problem. I'm a professional here, so don't worry. GoPro.
GoPro, yeah. Those are the batteries, the GoPro batteries.
Okay. This is the central of Hiroshima.
Okay.
Like I mean the downtown. So it's a weekday, so not too many people.
Everyone is working?
Yeah, basically.
So there's no Christmas holiday here?
No, we decorate like Christmas, but we don't take a Christmas holiday because we are not Christians.
Yeah.
Just decorating to entertain.
Yesterday I went to a temple, a Buddhist temple, and I paid like 50 yen and like those candles. Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Yeah, you don't have to pay a lot, just like 1 yen or 5 yen, that's enough. Just donate.
And taxis are very like luxury here. The drivers are in suits, the cars are...
because the regular people don't take it.
And I didn't know, today I was sitting and it says do not open or close the door, taxi door.
But it opens and closes automatically.
Yeah.
You don't have to open it.
Yeah. But I remember when I came from airport, I opened the door. When I got to hotel, I opened it myself.
Oh, okay.
And today I read it. It says do not open.
You learn.
I said okay, next time I will not open.
How's your uncle? I met him in Texas.
Yes.
He's still living in Texas. His wife is Puerto Rican or something like that.
Yeah, Puerto Rican, yes.
Yeah, I remember.
So when you came, he has a son.
Yeah.
Jahan.
I have a picture. He was so good.
Yeah.
But now he's like not he's like not like a boy, a man.
He is a teenager. He has a girlfriend.
Wow.
He is, I think, last year college, and next year he's going to university. I mean, last year high school, and next year he's going to college. Yeah.
He was like just a little kid.
Yeah. And he has a sister. She was there when you were born. When you came, she was a tiny baby, no? You remember?
Yeah. I remember.
He had a sister too, small baby.
She was like teenager.
She's now 11 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. Time flies.
Yeah.
But I didn't change.
So what is your like the rank in job?
Like field enlisted.
Yeah.
Like I'm a supervisor now.
Supervisor. Okay.
Trying to be, but it's okay. I just
But how many years of service you have already?
22 years.
You're working for 20?
22 years.
22 years.
Because after high school, right after high school, I joined.
Okay. So when can you like retire and take benefits?
That's the problem because we don't have young people in Japan. You know, Japan is an aged country.
Yes.
So before people retire like around 50 years old, now the government will try to change to the 60s.
Okay.
Can you believe that?
So it doesn't matter you work 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. You keep working until you get to 60?
If I don't quit.
Then why join early? You know, like
But
it's just
I save money and I can quit and I can change the job or chilling like 1 or 2 years. But I don't know yet because.
So let's say that you leave, quit. What line of work will you join?
I have to buy a lot of stocks or something.
Okay. You crossing road? The whistle is for what?
Huh?
The whistle sound. It's like a bird.
Yeah,
whistle.
like a bird. There's one crazy thing. On that way, there's a big Gandhi, how do I say, statue. Gandhi.
Okay.
I don't know why, but we don't need him here.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a big fan of him.
Yeah.
But
Who financed that? Who paid money for that?
Indian
Government?
government.
Okay.
I think they came to Japan,
Yeah.
but and they gave us
Okay.
Gandhi statue, but
Yeah.
nobody goes to see it. I don't know why only Indian people go. Japanese people don't go.
Yeah. Oh, that is the building.
Yeah, we can go later.
Yeah,
We can
yeah.
go to the park and the
Memorial.
museum,
Yeah.
and then walk to the dome. If after lunchtime, I don't want to go to the museum or the park because people go. Basically, people go after lunchtime.
Okay. So when is the they do the anniversary or they commemorate like yearly?
August 6th.
Okay.
Yeah, my grandmother was a survivor.
Wow.
Because she lost her parents because of the atomic bomb. When she was like 5 years old, and she has younger sister and brother, so my grandma didn't go to school at all.
Okay.
But she had to work because she didn't have her parents. So yeah, it's pretty sad, isn't it? So this is the park.
So what are like people feelings on that day for America? Do they feel angry?
It's
or
not positive.
They're not positive.
Not positive.
Yeah. Because I don't think ever U.S. government has like apologized or anything.
No, they don't
do that.
They don't give us money.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah, Japan don't need money.
Yeah. I think this is a place where this is a famous monument.
Okay.
I think people provide flowers.
So why they made memorial here? Was this where it dropped?
Yeah, the drop. Maybe that side, but this area was nothing.
Okay.
Blown off.
Yeah.
And you can see the dome through the monument, you know.
Oh yeah.
Fire and the dome.
So is that the museum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually people make a lot of blinds outside of the building, especially weekends and summer.
Okay.
Because on August 6th we do something like a memorial event here.
Your grandmother is alive or no?
She's still alive, but
Okay.
I don't know how long she can live because she got cancer three times, and now she is Alzheimer, like
Alzheimer?
yeah.
Okay.
So she has to stay in hospital.
I can pay for it.
No, it's okay. It's just 200 yen.
Okay. It's here for local tourists. Same?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. ये म्यूजियम आया, ये इसका पीस मेमोरियल म्यूजियम, वो टिकट ले रही है, 200 येन की टिकट है, 2 टिकट्स। मैंने तो ऑफर मारी है, मैं ले लेता हूँ, वो कहती है नहीं। देखते हैं, मैंने वार्मर बना हुआ, अच्छी गर्मी है अंदर। Okay, thank you.
we are moving in the. It makes me hotter and hotter.
So this is that building. That building is there,
Oh, yeah.
right? This was 1930. Your ticket.
They were wrong, but some believe they want to attack. So they research that especially children, or the evacuation from the metal and they will see the light. So you see the effect of the light.
Compared to Hiroshima, Nagasaki was a small city. It was a port, like military or something.
But smaller than here.
Yeah.
I mean the population and
Yeah. So sad. So do they teach about this in the history, like the books?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, when I was a kid, yeah, I studied a lot. Yeah, we have to study. Especially you, if you live in Hiroshima.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's really bad and sad.
Yeah.
Because everybody was suffering because they want water.
It's a good museum. It's all quiet. Just they don't want people to be.
Nuclear weapons. This section.
Yeah.
でこっちが3階建ての左右対称ですね。はい。で中に中庭がありまして、それを囲んでるんですね。これは螺旋状の階段となります。
see. Because,
Oh, there's a bell.
yeah, inside, people will prepare
Origami.
to pray. India. I don't know much about the India. But I went to India, but what I remember is too many people.
Yeah.
24/7. I cannot be alone.
You went to India alone, or you have a friend?
No,
Or
I'm with a friend,
okay.
and we took a tour because we didn't think we could travel by ourselves because India is because I don't know how to deal with Indians, so I took a tour.
So, which city you went?
New Delhi.
Okay.
But we went to Taj Mahal.
Oh, Agra.
Agra. But I don't want to go back again.
When was that? Which
Because
year?
everybody comes to me and like give me money, give me something, donate. I
Yeah.
was tired of that.
Yeah.
And India has too many people.
Yes.
It's not easy to walk straight.
Yeah.
Everybody stops. Was trying to stop me. Come to my shop or come to my restaurant.
And did your stomach get upset, or after food? Stomach was okay?
Because I was okay because we chose the restaurant foreigners go,
Okay.
not local
Yeah.
place. Because it looks dangerous.
Yeah.
I think it was cheaper, but I didn't want to get food. I didn't want to get sick.
That's a good spot to take video.
Yeah. Why don't you?
Yeah. ये जा रही है जी मुशी Let's walk this way.
How can you recognize this person is Indian or not? How do they speak?
They're
Okay. No.
Sorry. And a lot of time their language is different.
Oh, okay.
They speak many different languages.
No Urdu.
No. It's amazing, this building is so old and it survived. The steel, the concrete, the bricks, it's all.
Spending a lot of money to keep it.
Yeah.
So my tax goes there.
See, like that guy, he's Indian. See, that guy's Indian.
Okay.
This too.